ComfortDelGro is one of the largest land transport companies in the world with a global workforce, shareholder base, and outlook. It now operates in 7 countries and has a fleet of over 41,000 vehicles around the world. In Singapore, it is the leading taxi operator with 10,000 Comfort and CityCab taxis. ComfortDelGro Taxi has over the years improved the way in which its point-to-point services are provided to its customers, from street hail to radio call, and now taxi bookings from an app. From powering its fleet management to offering dynamic pricing fare option, ComfortDelGro Taxi has also improved its app user experience. It now has 2 overseas development centers that produces enhancements to its apps every fortnight. At the heart of its digital transformation are its partners, its cabbies, and its customers. As a responsible taxi company, ComfortDelGro Taxi not only implemented precautionary measures on board its taxis to quickly safeguard and protect them, but also extended financial assistance, including rental waivers, to its cabbies in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. But no great success was ever achieved without some bumps on the road. Thankfully, with the assistance of 4 development engineers from HUAWEI, integration between HUAWEI system and ComfortDelGro booking app was completed in just 1 week. With the help of HUAWEI's Location Kit powered by Super GPS technology that allows both driver and passenger to track each other's location. HUAWEI also helped with awareness of the app on its App Gallery platform and users. After just 3 months, HUAWEI now holds the largest share of downloads at 37%.
Digital transformation is very important for a brick-and-mortar company like ComfortDelGro Taxi. We have transformed ourselves to be digital ready, and that has enabled us to partner with HUAWEI. We have embedded both the ComfortDelGro booking app and driver app with HUAWEI Call Map and Push Kit, allowing customers to access to a seamless point-to-point transport service provided by the ComfortDelGro Taxi. We will not stop here. We will continue to collaborate with HUAWEI to develop more features for our customers, drivers, and partners. We look forward to a long-term win-win partnership with HUAWEI.